भूमिका दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा, क्या है ये फिल्म, बताइए कुछ।
Uh, this is basically a love story, and there are three characters: Salman, Preeti, and myself. It is, of course, not a triangular love story. People might think it that way, but as the title suggests, it's to each person there is someone special. दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा. That's what it's all about.
अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में कुछ बताइए, what
Uh, I'm playing the character of a very simple girl, and she believes in living life to the fullest. She believes in living each day as it comes, every day to the best.
What really excited you most about this particular script? क्या सबसे खास चीज़?
The whole concept of the bottom line that every human on this earth somewhere says that दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा, कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई किसी के लिए बना है. The title, the whole theme that for someone there is someone there.
Bhumika,
Found it very
going to the
interesting.
earlier part of your career, how did it all shape up for you? Was it like always destined that you're going to be here today?
I think it must have been destined since I'm here. Things do not happen without destiny being part of it. But I knew I wanted to make a name, and I wanted to be recognized, but I didn't know where, when, what, and how. And maybe subconsciously I must have been wanting to be an artist. And things started falling in place. I did ads, I did videos, I went down south to do Telugu and Tamil films, and from there I came here. It's been a journey.
Had you not been an actress today, what do you think? Where would you be?
I think I would have been a sportswoman because I love sports, or I would have been in the hotel business. I love hotels. Either of those, I guess.
How comfortable are you when it comes to dancing?
I think it shows on screen. If I have to do that 1, 2, 3, 4 thing, then I can't. And doing the very Indian thing, I'm a little uncomfortable. But doing basic steps and very cute steps, I think I can manage quite fine with that.
What do you think, what really comes most easily to you, be it emotions, comedy? What is it that you think really you generally?
Emotional scenes comes quite easy to me. And I think most of the scenes come easy, but otherwise there's a little some emotions that do not happen in your everyday life. You smile quite a bit in your daily life. You tend to sometimes feel depressed. You tend to sometimes feel sad. Those are the emotions that generally happen. But fear or anger is not something that happens every day. So these are the emotions you have to really work on when you're portraying a character.
In films you play different kind of characters, but what is Bhumika herself all about?
Bhumika is all about a very simple human being, very straight, very honest. I don't like something, I just say it, which is really bad. I'm yet to learn diplomacy. And I love reading, I love listening to music, watching films. I've got a very tiny little world. I enjoy life.